Google Nest. That's what it looks like. Let's see.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
Oh my goodness.
Good afternoon.
I didn't know you can watch YouTube on it. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button and follow us for new updates. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being dedicated and loyal. Today, as you can see through the reflection, I will be installing our ADT. It's supposed to have the speaker, just the speaker, right? But I was like, hey, why not get it in the digital LCD? Because we already have the doorbell, which I wish, it was installed. No, I wish it was videoed when it was installed, but you guys, in case you wanted to know. So I think ADT sold this one for $99, and if I only wanted the speaker, it was going to be $49, I think. So I don't know what it looks like in full, but we'll check it out. I will open it up before they call me to set it up, which I kind of already have an idea on how to set it up because I educated myself. Before then, we already have our regular overhead monitoring system, and I'm going to show you the doorbell. Is the Google Chrome, the Google I'm never going to remember. It's a beautiful weather outside. So this is the doorbell. Is it Chrome Nest? Hold on, I'm gonna check the real, what do you call it? I'm gonna check for the real name. 1 second. So it's the Google doorbell. It's the Google Nest doorbell. Yeah, Google Nest doorbell. So this time I got the speaker that has the LCD. I'm gonna quickly unbox it before they call me for setup. I got my scissors, and yeah, they're calling. That's them calling. Hello? Yes, this is Rosemary.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Yes, I'm actually opening the box up.
Okay.
What the box looks like. So this is the Nest Hub, 7-inch display, 2nd generation, and that is what it looks like. Okay, I can hear you. And I think it came in with how to connect Google Assistant enable. Okay, this is just how to connect it to Google enabled device, and of course the other number. Okay, all right. I am tearing it up right quick, so that way I don't waste time. Yeah, I'm using my scissors and doing what I love to do best. I'm trying to open up the seal. 1 second.
Okay.
Ooh, that is so beautiful. Oh, it has a speaker attached to it. Okay. So this will be placed on the tabletop, I guess. And let's see. I think this is a charger. Okay, yeah. Is this? Oh yeah, this is a charger. I'm taking everything apart. That is the cord, the charging cord with the cable cord. And some kind of manual pamphlet. Okay, I got it.
Okay, perfect. You can take it out and plug it in.
Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna plug it in right quick. locked up.
Okay, starting Google Maps.
Hi. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, Google Home. So I have the Google Home app. I'm already signed in.
Okay.
So devices. Yes, add.
Yes.
Add. Okay. New device or works with Google?
New device.
New device. Choose home. I'm gonna choose my home. Okay, choose home. I already choose home. It says turn on Bluetooth.
Yes.
Okay. Allow. Looking for device. Looking for devices. It found Nest Hub. I'll click yes.
Yes.
It said, would you like to set up Nest Hub? Dash.
Yes.
Yes. And then scan the code, the QR code. Oh, that was fast. Before I could even position it, scanned it already. And
Oh, yeah,
connect.
that's it.
Connect to device. So it's connecting. Then it says connected. Help improve Nest Hub, automatically share device, start crash, blah 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 to Google. No thanks, or yes, I'm in. No, I'll just put yes, I'm in. Where is this device? I have no idea where to place
The
it.
location.
I'll probably put it in the kitchen. I'll just put kitchen for now. I'm just gonna put the kitchen next, and then connecting it to my Wi-Fi now. Put next, and then it needs Wi-Fi password. I'm gonna put it. It's connecting now and connecting here too. Connecting the book. I like how those colors are dancing. Okay, updating 30%. Hang tight. This will take a few minutes. That's on the display thingy. And on my phone, it says connected. Before using your Google Assistant, Google Partner, service on your privacy, guest on your assistance, YouTube recommendation. You can pause this and read what it wants. And then I'm gonna click next. This is updating. Set up voice match on device at farm. Your assistant will recognize your voice on all eligible device on this phone. Not now, I'm on the phone. Not gonna work either.
Okay.
So not now. Get results on device at farm. Customize or turn off personal result at any time. So the device itself is restarting and applying update.
Okay.
So this device will give personal results to eligible devices. Let me just turn it on. The assistant is ready. Next. Family room, control TV. I'm just gonna put next and everything. Create new. Just put this. Choose a location for your Chromecast built-in TV. This will help. Where's my built-in TV? I'm just gonna put family room for now. Choose a location. All these ones are just unnecessary ones I can do later. Your device comes with 14 days of ad-free YouTube. No thanks. What do you want to set up next? So here says almost on the device itself, it says almost done. finish setup in home app, then get to know your device. I'm going to click finish setup.
What does it say?
No, it says it's done, finish setup. So I click finish
Hi,
setup.
I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. So you can get started, let me show you around.
And then on my phone, on my mobile phone, it says what do you want to set up next. You can always add more later, which is track and improve your sleep, control your display,
When you're ready, tap Get Started.
customize the photo frame, blah blah blah. So I do not learn about controls on your Nest Hub. Do you want to resume tutorial? I'm gonna put later. So that is what that one looks like. Okay. And you can set up photo frames. Okay. So on my phone, you said learn about your controls. I could hit not now or later or next, right?
Yes.
Okay,
You
next.
can do next.
Yeah, I did next. So ambient light. So this is the light sensor. Change volume. Adjust the volume with your voice. Oh, volumes buttons at the back. Let me see. Volume button at the back. Next, mic switch. To turn up the mic, slide the switch on the back to show orange. Oh, right here. The light on the front will also turn
The
orange.
mic's off.
So this is the volume. I'm pressing the volume. This is the orange light. Okay. So that's the mic's volume. Kitchen display is ready. And I guess this is the kitchen display. Continue. And I think that's all. You guys, at this point, we're trying to connect it to my chime. Or the chime or whatever they call it. So when we press the doorbell outside, it can ring inside. That was why I got this type. And not just, what do you call it? And not just the round little speaker. So stay tuned. I clicked home control and live video. Connecting front door camera. So I clicked on it. Okay, yeah, it's showing me my front door. Just like that. Okay. How about...
So you see it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go outside and ring it. I'm gonna go ring it and see.
Okay.
And I'll press the thing and see.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
I guess if I wanted to respond. Okay. Yeah, it worked.
Did that confirm?
No. Thank you very much. Appreciate that.
No, that's actually my pleasure. Thank God. Thank you for doing everything customer and I'm sorry for your day.
Bye bye. So you guys, you can play with it later and see what else you got. I'll set up my photo later and all that stuff. Home control, media. Oh, really? You can watch YouTube?
This is my comeback.
You can actually watch YouTube
Start
on
yours
here.
at purdueglobal.edu.
$99 well spent. It's probably cheaper, maybe if you buy from someone or something.
Since more.
Did you know I can actually just put this because my babies, look, what do you call it, is here, the babies swing. I can actually just put it and just have them do some, not a rhyme. But then I was using my fridge for that, for the YouTube. And my son is always drawing, so he can always draw, and then I use this just for a little screen of something. I could also be cooking in the kitchen and use that if others are using the the TV. You've been using that. Okay, I'm actually glad I got this instead of the little speaker for extra $50. But I really do appreciate you guys for tuning in with us. Please, sorry this video is so long, but I wanted you to see what it looks like. And there are so many other functions. I don't want copyright on this thing. There are so many other functions in it, and this is how it looks like. So this is it 1 year later, still working. Hey Google, how are you?
Just wonderful. Thank you for asking.
Yep, still working. The one I was calling a baby, it's 21 months old now, so she's almost And this one is was the one I was almost 5 months pregnant with when I was making this video. So 1 year later, the Google Nest is doing so much, still doing the same beautifully well and all that stuff. That one, like I said, she's 21 months old and almost 2 years old. So here's the baby now at the end of this video. It's about almost 8 months old. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in our next video. Here comes Big Brother. Thank you.
In case if he cries.
Thank you.